The drone is here in my face. He's probably about 20-30 feet above my head, and he keeps dive bombing me, getting real aggressive to get my attention. I got the sun in my eyes. He's trying to hide himself in the sun when I grab the camera. There, he's just teasing me. I can't see my camera. There, he knows I'm recording now. He's just playing with me. There's another one. There's two of them. I want to do my work, but that's incredibly annoying and obnoxious right now. I can't concentrate or do my video of my work where I make my living. That is just buzzing in my ear, and I'm trying to make a professional video, and he's not leaving me alone. He'll come low and dive bomb my head a little bit to get my attention if I pretend not to know he's there. There's another one up higher. They're keeping right in line with each other though. He's really, really close above my head. He's just playing with me.